A warden's responsibility to provide leadership and assign responsibility for selection, training, and recruitment and supervision is A. Decision making, B. Personnel management, C. Public relations, D. Executive leadership. Answer B. Personnel management. A warden who limits his role to policy matters and major problems, his responsibility is centered on A. Decision making, B. Personnel program, C. Public relations, D. Executive leadership. Answer A. Decision making. It was responsible for holding the International Penal and Penitentiary Congress every 5 years, and it was established in 1875. A. IPPC, B. League of Nations, C. UN, D. Human Rights Commission. Answer A. IPPC. The first parole was passed in 1837 in A. Valencia, Spain, B. Massachusetts, C. Chicago, D. Pennsylvania. Answer B. Massachusetts. It is a training school type of institution program, social casework, and extensive use of parole. A. Elmira Reformatory, B. Borstal, C. Auburn System, D. Pennsylvania System. Answer A. Elmira Reformatory. Each unique features of incarceration were adopted by most European countries. A. Elmira Reformatory, B. Borstal, C. Auburn System, D. Pennsylvania System. Answer D. Pennsylvania System. It abolished corporal punishment. A. UN Standard Minimum Rules, B. League of Nations, C. Pennsylvania Reform Law of 1790, D. Shorey. Answer C. Pennsylvania Reform Law of 1790. This system was advocated by the Americans because it was cheaper to maintain. A. Elmira Reformatory, B. Borstal, C. Auburn System, D. Pennsylvania System. Answer C. Auburn System. The country that first established prison facilities. A. England, B. France, C. United States of America, D. Spain. Answer C. United States of America. It gave rise to the exemption and mitigation of punishment. A. Classical School, B. Neo-Classical School, C. Positivist School, D. Modern Clinical School. Answer B. Neo-Classical School.